When Charles Babbage first sketched his difference engine in the 1820s, he imagined a world where arithmetic could be offloaded to precision-cut brass gears. In the realm of speculative design, the analytical Gearsmith takes that Victorian dream further, converting the lofty ambition of a universal computer into an entirely mechanical, steam-driven system. Form, the Gearsmith resembles a tall, cathedral-like cabinet of polished mahogany and riveted iron. Its facade is a lattice of exposed gear trains, each tooth spaced no finer than a penny slot, all supported by a central cast-iron spine. Two brass crank handles protrude from opposite sides, allowing an operator to wind the primary flywheel that supplies the stored kinetic energy for the entire device. Hidden behind a hinged brass panel lies a transparent crystal panel that shows an internal memory bank, rows of brass rods that click into place, each representing a binary state. Function, at its heart sits a series of nested gear ratios that perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and even rudimentary logical operations. Input is fed via a perforated paper tape that drives a sprocket train, each hole corresponds to a punched data bit. As the tape advances, a cam-driven lever translates the pattern into a precise angular displacement of a dedicated computation wheel. The result propagates through a cascade of differential gear sets that accumulate the calculation, finally depositing the outcome on a silk-wrapped printing drum. A secondary subsystem, powered by a miniature condenser steam engine, controls timing and synchronization, effectively acting as a clock pulse for the machine. Aesthetic, the Gearsmith is unapologetically romantic. Its visual language is a chorus of brass, copper, and burnished wood, evoking the age of steam while hinting at modern circuitry. Ornamental filigree curls around functional pivots, turning utilitarian metalwork into a work of decorative art. Warm amber lantern light glints off the gear teeth, creating a kinetic chiaroscuro that reminds the viewer that computation can be both beautiful and tactile. In this speculative recreation, the boundary between art and engineering dissolves, suggesting a world where the click of a gear is as expressive as the crisper of a keyboard. Through form, function, and aesthetic, the analytical Gearsmith reimagines a modern computer as a living locomotive of precision, inviting us to contemplate how technology might have evolved under the soot-capped skylines of the industrial age.